So this is the entrance of the apartment. Here is a very small hall. Here is the private bathroom, toilet, and window. And here you can put in the washing machine if you would like to. So moving back. And here is the fully furnished room. All the furnishing is included in the price. And here is the kitchen unit. There are fridge, microwave, oven, and also some of the dishes that you can use. Here is a small table. And again, this is the hall. So that's it. And here is the hall to the other parts of the building.